Hello guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at how we can create cover for our notes on the Samsung Galaxy S24, and so you can keep your notes neatly organized in the Notes app. So what you want to do is to tap a note that you want to add the cover for, and then tap these three dots that you have on the right hand corner of the screen, and then tap edit cover. And now all you have to do is to enable the cover. You can tap where it says summary and type the title for your notebook. So I'm going to type my notebook, and then you want to select the color for the notebook. And down here you have a couple styles for the notebook cover. So once you find one that you like, all you have to do is to return, and then your notebook will have this nice little cover here. So that's it for this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.